After downloading and unzipping Studio 3T, you'll find the executable. So let's go ahead and run this, and that will install the software that you need to use. So as you can see, it's taking a little bit of time, so don't be surprised if that happens to you. It's actually kind of a big file. So in order to install it, you're going to have to be an administrative user, so you might see a pop-up requesting that. So let's go ahead and click next, and it'll go ahead and install the software wherever you need to. Make sure you have enough free space. So at this point, we have Studio 3T installed, and we can go ahead and run it. Here, there's a pop-up from End User License Agreement. Let's go ahead and just say yes. I use the default password encryption, but if you're super secretive and you want cryptographic keys, go ahead and use that store. Now we're just going to use the easy data access with Visual Query Builder. You can always do the shell-centric or switch it over later. It's not too much of a problem. And I'll go ahead and stick with the light theme. So if you want, you can go ahead and sort of read through how these guys work. I think that is certainly worth your time to help you understand what's going on. But we'll have some videos that also step you through the functionality. So at this point, one thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to actually want to register Studio 3T. So let's go ahead and do that. Now, hopefully you have your license key with you. So let's go ahead and install the license. I think, yeah, there we go. All right. So depending on how you do it, you might have a license file or you might sign in through an account online. So I have a legacy license, and it's registered to my name and email. And so they sent me over this file. So what we're going to want to do, or what you're going to end up doing, is you're actually going to copy this in. Your file might look different than mine, but you want to copy everything between the two sets of dashed lines at the top and bottom. Okay. And so we'll go ahead and I'm going to copy that in, but pause the video. So I pasted that license in, and what you can see, we now see the standalone license Pro, and it's valid, at least in mine, until 2021. And so that's how you go ahead and install Studio 3T and install the license.